Good morning, students of class 9. Let's continue our lesson in English. The Sound of Music, part 2. So let's begin now. We are talking about Bismillah Khan, our Khan Saab. He was fondly called, lovingly, he was called Khan Saab. We'll talk about that. So, number one, Bismillah became the first Indian to greet the nation with his Sanai on 15th August 1947. During the celebration of our first Independence Day, that is on 15th of August 1947, our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he invited him to play Sanahai. And he became the first Indian to greet the nation with his Sanai on 15th of August 1947 from Red Fort. Now, after that, he played Rag Kafi from the Red Fort to an audience. Huge crowd gathered there in front of the Red Fort, and all over India people were listening radios. They were listening to the radio, which included Gandhiji and P.T. Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So among the audiences, Mahatma Gandhi was also there, great leaders of our India. Many freedom fighters were there, great leaders were there. A huge crowd gathered in front of Red Fort, and among them our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was also there. So people lovingly called him Khan Saab. Khan Saab has given many memorable performances in India as well as abroad. So he performed at various places and people really enjoyed listening to his Sanahai. And he played abroad also. He was invited from various countries to play there his Sanahai. His first trip means the journey, his first trip abroad was to Afghanistan. The first trip to other countries, foreign countries, was to Afghanistan, where King Jahir Shah, at that time the king of Afghanistan was Jahir Shah, was so impressed. He was so impressed, means taken in by the maestro. Maestro means a person who plays instrument or one who does his work perfectly. That's what a maestro. That he gave Khan Saab priceless gift. Jahir Shah, the king of Afghanistan, gave him many priceless gifts because he was so happy and so much impressed with his music. Even not only abroad, in India also many people were impressed by listening his music, to his music. The film director Vijay Bhatt in India, the film director Vijay Bhatt was so impressed and named the film. He invited Bismillah Khan to play the background music for his film. And see, he must have watched and seen Bismillah Khan playing his Sanai in the festival or in the performances. That's why he was invited and requested him to provide the background music in his film. The name of the film was Gunj Uthi Sanai. So after he was so much impressed, he wanted to name his film, the film of the name, he gave the title Gunj Uthi Sanai. So where Bismillah Khan composed the background music and we played. The film was a hit. It was so popular. At that time, the people crowded the cinema halls to see and watch the film because it was a very perfect and beautiful film with the beautiful background music. The film was a hit. The second film was Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya. Here also, Bismillah Khan provided the background music. Bismillah provided background music in these two films. He provided the background music, and it turned out to be a nationwide chart buster. The second one was also Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya. So in this film also became a nationwide chart buster. So popular, so famous. It was so famous that people liked the films. Despite means even after. Despite these huge success in the celluloid world, celluloid means not real. Film is not real, it's a virtual. Celluloid world, huge success. Even after achieving huge success in the celluloid world, his ventures in the film music were limited to two. Then he was invited to provide the background music to various films, but Bismillah Khan, he refused. Said, I never practiced and thought about providing music in the celluloid world, in this imaginary world. I've not practiced for this. I've not played Sanai for this. I don't want to play the music for the celluloid world. It's not real. So, despite huge success, his venture in the film music were limited to only two. These two, Gunj Uthi Sanai and Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya. In these two music films, he provided the background music. But later on, after that, he stopped playing for the films. To be continued. Now we will continue more about Bismillah Khan and his music. This much for today, and I hope you are staying safe at home and doing your regular studies. Be wise enough to use your time wisely, and I hope all are fine over at home, and let's hope our school will open as soon as possible. We'll be expecting. Let's hope. You can't do anything except hoping. Hope. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class and continue watching the videos and learn. That's all I can say right now. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much for watching.